This is a tree climbing robot. This is designed for climbing the trees of areca nut. As Karnataka is the highest producer of areca nut trees, so a lot of farms are there in Karnataka. 40% of the produce comes from Karnataka all over India. And since the tree has only one stem and no branches, the very much highly experienced labor is required. So to avoid that situation of safety, or to keeping the safety in mind of the labor, we have devised this machine which is fully automated and which can be controlled through an Android developed app. So the person of the user can be on the ground, and the device alone can climb the stem, and it can be controlled through the Android application. So the functioning of the device is very much similar to the human climbing method. So as a human climbs a tree, they lock their legs first and then move their hands and body upwards. And once they are done this, then they lock their hands and move their legs upwards. So similarly, the device has two clamps, so lower clamp and upper clamp. So as you can see here, the device first locks the upper clamp, and the DC motor rotates the timing belts. So the lower clamps gets moved up. Then lower clamps gets locked onto the stem, and upper clamp gets released. So a motor moves the upper clamp. So this way the whole device keeps moving up around the tree. And the device is powered through a microcontroller Atmega 328. It has lithium polymer batteries, 2200 milliamp hour backup current rating, and one brush DC motor with two pulleys and one timing belts. Two pulleys and one timing belts. So the main blocks are, so I'll give it to my friend now.
Hi. So in this, the logic is simple. We are using two magnets, and this is a magnetic sensor. The moment it reaches the bottom, it knows that using the magnetic field of this magnet is used that it has reached bottom. So it will give logical 1 to the microcontroller, which will move it to up, and if it reaches the top, so it will take that magnetic field and you make the logic to move the device down. So this is the logic as shown in the demo. So here, so this magnetic field generated by these magnets are used to tell the microcontroller to move up and down, and so so this is the logic. And beside this, we have an Android application, as you can see in the interface. As it is used by the farmers only, so we have kept the interface very simple. So it has a up, down and stop operation. So during up, after climbing up, we want to do the pesticides or say plug the fruits harvesting. So that is done using this. We can hold it in the height at the height, and using the module, separate module which will plug or put the pesticides, that can be used. So it doesn't require power during the still operation in the stop mode.